This is a review of the signals I shared on my premium signal room last week from 30th of April to 2nd of May. Some of you might not know this, but I actually have a paid signal room where I actually share signals for EURUSD, GBPUSD, and gold every single trading day of the week, from Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday to Friday. And yes, I don't trade on Monday. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you the review of the signals I shared last week. So let's get straight into it. So we're going to be starting with GBPUSD. As you can see right here, after taking a win the previous week, we started 30th of April. I actually tell them, good afternoon, traders currently scouting the market, just to let them know that I'm looking for an opportunity. And then immediately I tell them, sell GBPUSD now. And then the first trade of the week for Tuesday actually ended up in a win, right? This was the full order for the sell. And I actually told them, apply proper risk management to avoid huge losses, right? So I actually prioritize this risk management all the time. TP1 hits 10 pips, TP2 hits 15 pips, up until TP5, 30 pips. And this is the signal right there. You can see it. So, right, so I told them, see you tomorrow. And then the next day, which is 1st of May, I actually told them, good afternoon, traders currently scouting the market, buy GBPUSD now, right? So I give them a buy order. And this trade actually took a lot of time, but it actually hits full TP, right? Buy GBPUSD now, and then I give them the full buy order. TP1 hits, TP2, and then price later gave us full TP. We would have actually extracted a lot from this trade, but then we actually stick it to our risk to reward, which is risking 15 pips to actually make 30 pips right there. So see you tomorrow. And then 2nd of May, which was the last trade I gave them a sell GU now, and then a few minutes later I dropped the full order and we actually hit full TP. And the last day was meant to be 3rd, I think, on Friday, but then I didn't drop any signals that day because I didn't see any opportunity on GU. So on GBPUSD, we hit full TP 3 times last week, which gives us a total of 90 pips for the week. Let's look at EU. The same thing happened in EU after taking a full win the previous week. That was the Friday of the previous week. And I told everyone, good afternoon, traders currently scouting the market, just to let them know I'm looking for an opportunity. And then I said, sell EURUSD now. Later on, I'm dropping the full order, which is the full sell order. Actually give them the proper risk management to use. And also TP1 hit, TP2 hit, TP3 up until TP5. And this is the trade right there. Now, see you tomorrow. The next day, good afternoon, traders currently scouting the market. I didn't see an opportunity, so I didn't take any trade, right? I didn't take any trade because I didn't see my setup. The next day, which is 2nd of May, I told everyone, good afternoon, traders currently scouting the market. And I told them, sell EU now. We actually hit take profit 1, take profit 2, and take profit 3 until price retraces to hit stop loss. So I am the trader that actually take partial profit at 20 pips, right? I take my partials at 20 pips and then move my stop loss to break even. It wasn't really a good week trading EURUSD because out of 4 trading days, I saw my setup just twice and I did see my setup 2 times. So we took just 2 trades during the week. One trade hit full TP and then the second trade got up to TP3, where I actually took my partial profit. On EURUSD, we hit full TP once, which gives us a total of 30 pips, and we hit TP3 once, which gives us a total of 20 pips. If we add those together, we are going to get a total of 50 pips on EURUSD for the week. So now let's look at how the week went trading gold. Gold is one of those pairs you don't want to mess with because if your analysis is actually wrong and you take your trade, you're actually going to hit stop loss quicker than you even expect, right? So out of 4 trading days, we took trades just twice on gold, right? You can see on Tuesday, which is the first trading week, I said, good afternoon, traders scouting the market. Later, I didn't see any opportunity, so I told them I didn't see any setup, so I didn't take any trade. The next day, which is 1st of May, good afternoon, traders scouting the market. The same thing, I didn't take any trades because I didn't see my setup, right? 2nd of May, we took our first trade for the week. So everyone, good afternoon, traders scouting the market. Sell good now. And we actually hit TP1 20 pips, TP2 40 pips, TP3 60 pips, up to TP4 80 pips. Now, we didn't get to TP5 and TP6, but I actually take my partial profit at TP4, which is 80 pips all the time. So price actually retraced to the other side, but then we got, I think at the peak we got up to 90 pips in profit, right? So a lot of people took their profit, a lot of people moved stop loss to break even, while some actually took a loss, right? So for the next day, which is Friday, this was the bomber for the week, right? We actually hit full TP this day. You can see right here, sell good now, 40 pips stop loss. I give them the full order. TP1 hit 20 pips, TP2, TP3, TP4, TP5, and TP6. So on gold, we hit TP4 once, which gave us 80 pips, and also we hit TP6, which gave us 120 pips, a total of 200 pips back trading just gold last week. If we sum up the profit gotten from trading EURUSD, GBPUSD, and gold, we should be getting over 340 pips profit from just last week alone. Now imagine how much profit you would have made if you are taking those signals. If you're interested in my premium signal, First, go to the description, click a link to join my free community, and then you can send me a DM from that community to join my premium signals. In our coming video, I'm going to be picking the best trades I took on EURUSD, GBPUSD, and gold, and I'm going to be showing you guys the analysis behind those trades and how you guys can see those trades in your chart and make money from it. So if you're interested, like and subscribe so you won't miss out on those videos.